Basically, we've been out of our house for like 6 days trying to stay out of all the workers' way. So Haley and I are pretty happy to be able to be at home again. So we are so happy. And then even in the kitchen, they redid the trim around this window. So anyway, I'm sure you guys have enjoyed seeing a little bit of progress here at the Lincoln house. Yes, the windows are done. Hanging the curtains back up here in our downstairs. So this is looking really awesome. Let me walk in the little office guest room here. They had to lower the windows down quite a bit. So that way, if you have a fire, that's why it's all like dug up out here. But the windows are noticeably lower than they used to be. Beckah Shae came to North Pole, Alaska this weekend and put on an awesome concert. But in the afternoon, the moms got together and had a luncheon, and she spoke with them and encouraged them. And I had the honor, and my husband, of making the lunch for a whole group of ladies. So we put together a really nice lunch box. So here, let me show you what we did. We got the box, and then we printed up a menu, and has the lunch with Beckah Shae, and we put together a sandwich. And beforehand, the ladies had said if they wanted a veggie sandwich or a turkey sandwich. So we had that on there, and we had it on homemade bread, and we blended potato chips together, put together a fruit cup, and they had 2 kinds of homemade cookies. So here, let me show you the box. Some of the boxes I had pink and tissue paper, and some I had yellow, because the theme colors were the hot pink and yellow. So I tried to do contrasting colors. So this one had the pink napkin, and then we had the straw because the drinks were provided. So we put together mayonnaise and mustard packets and a pickle to go with the sandwich. And then here's the cookies. I wrapped them individually and put them in these little paper sleeves and then tied a bow around them. These were homemade cookies. And then the sandwich, which was either a veggie or a turkey works sandwich. So that was on homemade bread. That was really good. And then we filled the little sacks with potato chips, and then with a little contrasting clothespin, and then a little fruit cup. So the ladies loved the lunch and the little extra touches that we added, and we had a really fun time putting them together. So hope this helps you. Maybe it'll help you with an idea down the road. Super happy to share with you these healthy breakfast muffins today. And in a bowl, I've added all my dry ingredients, and in the description box below the video, you will have the recipe. I've already got the wet ingredients for these healthy breakfast muffins in a bowl. All it is 1 mashed banana, 1 egg, and 1/2 cup of milk. So I'm going to go ahead and whisk it together. And to that, I'll be adding 1 whole grated carrot and 1 grated apple. These muffins don't require any oil because of all the moisture from the banana and the carrot and the apple. It's a really thick batter, and it's going to be really good. This is the part I like, adding some toppings. I'm going to go ahead and add a little cinnamon sugar to the top. And I like to add some crasins. And also some pumpkin seeds. in my tomato basil soup, I'm going to go ahead and add in some rice. There we go. And in a restaurant I used to work at, they also would put in black olives, and you can add in cheese also. Dinner is going to be black bean mango rice bowl. So we're starting off by putting a little olive oil in the frying pan. And then I'm going to be adding some onion and pepper. I've already got some mango and pineapple and a little bit of mint in a bowl, just marinating. I just felt like some mint. You can add cilantro if you'd like. And I drained some black beans and rinsed them off and got them in the colander already. And I also pre-cooked some yams to add also. Add in the sweet potato now, and next I'm going to add in some cumin and salt and pepper. You can just add it to taste. Oops, I went to put in the cumin and it's all sealed up. I gotta unseal it. I think I will add in some garlic powder also. Alrighty, I am ready to add the black beans now. Dump them on in. And the mango rice bowls tonight, so all I gotta do is add some rice in a bowl. I got my bean, sweet potato mixture here. And you add that right over here. And I got the mango and pineapple and mint, or you can put cilantro in it, whatever you're feeling. And that can go right over here. And then put an avocado on also. So go ahead and put that right there. There's our dinner tonight. Tonight we had the awesome bowl for dinner, and now today, next day, I made a salad. So basically all I did was add lettuce and a hard-boiled egg, and then added all the ingredients from last night, and I've got a wonderful lunch.